This is now downtown Owen Sound, the intersection of 2nd Avenue and what street were we on? 9th Street East. There are a number of buildings here in Victorian style. Down there is the McKay's dry goods store. And we're going to head south now on 2nd Avenue and check out the other downtown buildings here in Owen Sound. You can see many of the buildings are heritage buildings from the late 1800s. Much of the architecture, the historic architecture, has been preserved. Lots of stores. This is sort of the main shopping street in Owen Sound. And I will make my way across the street, capture a better picture of this front of Victorian row houses.